Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sucharita and I'm a working mom of 3 boys. I live with my husband Amit and my kids. Back in India, I never realized how much I love the sun until we moved to Europe. The sun brings so much energy and keeps me active. During weekends, I make sure we have Indian breakfast. Today I'm making puris, fried flatbread, and my kids love them. A tip to make them crispy and tasty is to add some suji, semolina, ajwain, that's carom seed, and warm milk to the wheat flour while kneading the dough. Remember to rest the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes before frying them. To go with the puris, my husband makes instant garlic chutney. It is so delicious and requires very few ingredients: garlic, chili flakes, salt, and olive oil. Moreover, this chutney can be stored in fridge for a week or more. I love to eat this with puris and with hot steamed rice. Our kids will have honey with puris. We needed a cupboard near the dining table area, so Amit is going to assemble it. We bought this from Jysk, a Danish company. Jysk is a very good company which sells indoor and outdoor household items and furniture. Things are usually quite durable in Denmark, and Jysk has reasonable pricing, so we think it is a good buy. I'm so glad that Amit is so good at all these things. He is our very own handyman. What we learned after moving here is that you need to learn to do most of household things yourself. And as much as possible, we try to involve our kids in the process as well. It is so lovely to have their helping hands around, and I guess it's called creating memories. We took lots of breaks in between, and finally the cupboard is done, and I'm so happy the way it looks. While Amit puts the kids to sleep, I get down to do some meal prep for the coming week. I cut carrots, cucumbers, garlic, ginger, and boil some eggs. That's it for now, you guys. I hope you liked the video. Please do give it a like and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Take care. Bye.